Sorry, carry on. Yeah.
What do we do now? Do we dry it?
Right, so clay barring the Jag. As you can see, it's picking up some contamination on the clay bar. This is the built Hamber medium clay bar. So just on the bonnet, we had the same as my previous videos where you could hear the friction, but it's nice and smooth now. Just the rest of the car to go. Front end's pretty much done. Then we'll get on to give it another wash and so clean the back of the Jag. As you can see, it's picked up some contamination, not too bad, mostly tar spots down the bottom. Just wiping it down. Nearly at the end now. Just back to do. I do recommend the built Hamber auto wheel as pH neutral, so no acid. So this is a car
First one
the
used is Diamondbrite ceramic glaze. Seems quite good. Just sprayed on,
give the
wipe
wheels
off.
a polish.
It's not full on ceramic treatment, but I think
it's
it's
really nice
good
and
finish on
shiny.
the car. We'll see how it lasts. So on the wheel sealant, I've used Paul Boy's wheel sealant. Seems quite good. Just apply it, quite a thick paste. Leave it on. It's a pink colour, and then just buff off.
Sorry, carry on.
Well, thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, turn on the notification bell so you're notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.